playing kitchen set with me. Huh? No way! He loves playing outdoor games with me. No! He comes with me! No, Dolly! Baby's with me! Uh-oh! Chiya, what are you doing here? Huh, baby? Look at this! My big Gumball Machine! Wow! It's so huge! Oh, so many candies inside! Chiya, can I get one? Why not? You can pull the lever and take your candy. Oh, okay. Let's do this! Wait! Don't start! We're coming! Huh? Then let's play a game. Listen. First, you pull for the candy. Next, find the color matches your candy. Then only you can have it, okay? Okay, we're ready! I will go first. No, Johnny. I will pull first. No way! I'm going first. No. It's me going first. Johnny, Dolly, stop. Let me say. The one who wins rock, paper, scissors, go first, okay? Rock, paper, scissors! Yeah! I won! I will go now! Oh! There it comes! My blue candy! Let me find the blue thing. This will help you. Yeah. Yeah, I think I found it. Whoa! Look, I got it! Let me eat my blue candy! Now, it's my turn! Hey! My candy is coming! Huh? It's a red one! Oh! I know something red in this garden! Huh! See? My red little strawberries!